Hi guys, this is RiceNo. So we have established the basic battle system. So now we can see monsters' health bar and these slimes move away when we attack them. And in this video we will add more detailed character stats and create player status screen. But before that, there's another little update in the code. So I said we are using enter key for attacking and also talking to an NPC. So we checked the situation by adding the else statement like this. But then I realized we also used enter key to activate an event such as this water pool event. And I totally forgot to bypass this as well. So let me fix this real quick. So first in this player class we create a boolean, public boolean attack cancel. Default is false. Then go to this interact NPC and we're gonna delete this else statement. And instead we're gonna change this boolean attack cancelled to true, and also go to this event class and this healing pool event. And by the way, maybe you have noticed, but I have added sound effect to this damage pit and healing pool. Anyway, here as well. So we're gonna set player.attack cancelled equal true. So attack was cancelled. And finally, in this player class, after checking everything, we add an if statement. If kh.enter pressed equal true and attack cancelled equal false. If we press enter, then the attack was not cancelled, then the player can attack. So gp.play se, so play attack sound and attacking equal true, and also we reset the sprite counter. And after that, probably here, we're gonna reset attack cancelled to false. If attack was cancelled, then we need to reset it here. Otherwise, this will stay true. So that's it. So let's check. Okay. Talk to NPC and also, so player doesn't swing a sword. That was the quick update. So let's create character screen. So this is an action RPG. Characters have several parameters. Public int level, public int strength, public int dexterity, public int attack, public int defense, public int exp, public int next level exp, and public int coin. So this means how much money he has. Also public entity current weapon, public entity current shield. So in this game, player can have two kinds of equipment, so weapon and shield. Of course you can add more, like armor, helmet, or gauntlet, stuff like that. But since this is a tutorial, so I'm trying to keep it simple. So next we're gonna create a sword and a shield object. I have created these sword and shield images. So I'm gonna copy these two images to this objects package in the res folder. And then inside of this object package, we're gonna create two classes. So the one is obj weapon normal, and also another one more class obj shield wood. And before creating the inside, we add two variables to entity item attributes public int attack value and public int defense value. Okay, now go to this weapon. Oh shoot, sorry, this is not weapon but sword. My bad, sorry, my mistake. This is sword normal. And okay, so this class extends entity import and also add constructor, and here first name equal normal sword. So we're gonna set name and the image. So down, we're gonna use down one equals setup file path objects sword normal and the size. So gp.tile size gp.tile size. And finally we're gonna set this weapon's attack value, and I'm gonna set 1. Okay, and the shield. So this is also extends entity name equal wood shield or something, and 1 equal setup objects what is it, shield wood, and the size is tile size. And this one is defense value 1. Okay, so that's it for these classes. And now go to the player class, and okay, so here set default values. We're gonna set player's default stats. So okay, first, so default level is 1, and strength equal 1, dexterity equal 1, and exp equal 0, and next level exp. So this means how much experience you need to level up. I'm gonna set 5, and coin 0, so he's broke. And now current weapon, so his default weapon is, so we just create it, sword normal gp. Yeah, so this current weapon is entity, so we can instantiate these objects as current weapon. And now current shield equal new obj shield wood gp. Okay. What is this? Resolve to a variable. Cannot be resolved to a variable. What? Must be error, I think. And finally, we're gonna set this attack and defense. And for these two variables, we get the value from a method. So like get attack and get defense. So let's create these methods. Public int get attack, public int get defense, and okay, here return attack equal strength times current weapon dot attack value, and return defense equal dexterity times current shield dot defense value. Okay, let me explain these stats a little bit. The more strength he has, the more damage he gives. The more dexterity he has, the less damage he receives. The total attack value is decided by strength and weapon, and the total defense value is decided by dexterity and shield. So this time I set pretty simple calculation. So strength times current weapon's attack value will be player's attack, and dexterity times shield value will be player's defense. So we created these separated methods because unlike other stats, attack and defense are based on multiple elements. So if player's strength or dexterity or equipment changes during the gameplay, we need to recalculate the value. But if we have methods like these, then we can just call one of these methods. So I think it's more convenient. And I have no idea why we are getting these so many errors. I think these are just a bug. So let me start this. Oops. Entity 243 illegal argument exception. What? Wait. Shield wood. I think this is a different kinds of error. Shield. Okay, I think I misspelled or something. Shield wood. Ah, I forgot to input backslash here. I think that's why. Yeah. Okay. And I think, yeah, those errors disappears for some reason. So I think that was just a bug. I think player part is done. So let's create a character status screen and display these stats. First, we're gonna create a new game state. Public final int character state or something 4. And okay, let's go to key handler. We're gonna activate this game state. So I think I'm gonna use C key. So if you press C key, then character screen opens up. If code equal event.vkc, then gb.gamestate equal gb.character state. And okay, so creative statement character state, else if gp dot. So if game state is character state, and if you press C key again, VKC, then we're gonna close the window, character window. So game state equal play state. Yeah, that's it. But I feel like, this key pressed method is getting pretty long. So I think I want to organize it a little bit. So I'm going to create a method for each game state and separate these things in different method, I think. Okay, in the case, public void title state and get key code and the public void play state. Okay, and we're gonna move these things to those methods. So first title state, so we're gonna just move these inside of this title state. And play state, so we're gonna just move everything in this if statement to this play state. And okay, now what? Pause state, we only have this, but yeah, why not? Pause state and dialog. Where is it? A dialog. And okay, character state. And finally, we're gonna call those methods. So title state. So we only pass this key code. Pause state. Okay, that's it. Somehow, what is this? Oh no, this is play state. What was I thinking? Okay, play state. I kind of like this better. It feels like it's more organized. Okay, anyway, that's everything about this key handler. So then open this UI class and we draw the character screen here. So okay, yeah, character state if gp dot game state call gp dot character state. Okay, so call method like a draw character screen, and we're gonna create this method. So okay, let me close these methods. So after this draw dialog screen, void draw character screen. Okay, so first we're gonna create a frame, so sub window. So create a frame. Final int frame x, final int frame y, final int frame width, final int frame height. I want to draw a sub window, a frame somewhere around here. So x will be somewhere around here. X equal gp dot tile size times 2 tiles to the right, and frame y is maybe tile size, and width is like 5 tiles, and the height is 10 tiles or something. And then we're gonna call this draw sub window method, and pass these 4 parameters. So frame x, frame y, frame width, frame height. So yeah, this is a method we created a long time ago. So this automatically creates like a sub window. Okay, let's check. So if you press C key, yeah, so this character sub window opens, and if you press C key again, and you can close it like this. And next we're gonna display text on this window. Text. So first set color for the text, color.white. I'm gonna use white. And also font size, set font, g2.get font, derive font, like 32. Then we're gonna create some variables. So first text x. Text x will be a little to the right, so from the left side of this frame, so frame x. Something like frame x plus 20 or something, 20 or half tile or something, and then text y, I think, so frame y plus, I think I'm gonna add tile size for this, and we're gonna create one more variable, and final int line height. Okay, for now let's choose the same size. Then we're gonna type parameters name, so names. Okay, g2.draw string first level, and text x, text y. And after this we're gonna increase this text y plus line height, so we can draw the next line. So g2.draw string, like, okay, life, and we're gonna increase this text y again, so we repeat this. So okay, let's copy this, and the strength, dexterity, attack, defense, exp, next level, coin, weapon, shield. Okay, let's check. Yeah, something like this. I think I want to create a little bit more space between lines, so I'm gonna increase this line height to like 35 or something. Then yeah, looks like this. So we have more space between lines. Then let's display these values. And this time we're gonna align the text to the right. And to do that, first we need to find out the end x or tail x of the text or number. So first int tail x equal so frame x plus frame width. So this will return the x value of this point. So we're gonna subtract a little from this point, so the text will not touch the right edge, like minus 30 or something. Then we're gonna reset this text y. Reset text y. Text y equal, what was it? Frame y plus, yeah, this one. So, and also we're gonna create a string. I'm gonna name this value. Yeah, most of the values are integer, but since we're gonna use this drawString, so we need to get it as strings. So that's why I created this, and value equal string dot value of gp.player.level. So we're gonna get player's level as string, and we need to find text x, and for this one we're gonna create another method like this one. So this is for getting the x for centered text, but this time we're gonna get x for align to right text or something, and also we get this tail x as a parameter, so we get the length of the text. So this time we're gonna subtract the length from this tail x minus length. Then we know where we should start drawing the text. So we get text x by calling that method. So get x for align to right text, and so we're gonna pass text, so value and the tail x. Then we draw g2.drawString value, not tail x but text x, this one, and the text y. Okay. Okay, let's check real quick. Okay, looks good, I think. All right, let's continue then. So we're gonna repeat these. So player life, and also I want to display max life too, so type like this. So gp.player.max life, strength, dexterity, attack, defense, exp, next level, exp, and coin. Okay, check. Oops. Oh yeah, of course I forgot to increase text y. So yeah, this one, let's copy. So after drawing, we increase text y. Text y. Okay. Let's check. Yep. Okay, I think. Okay, then let's display player's weapon and shield, and for the equipment, I want to display equipment image. That would be more interesting, I think. Okay, art, line height, and okay, here. So first we're gonna draw weapon image. So g2.drawImage and gp.weapon Whoa, what's happening? Okay, gp.player.current weapon dot down one, and the position is so tail x minus tile size or something. So tail x minus gp.tile size, and the text y, I think we need to do a little adjustment, but let's use this for now. And then we're gonna add text y plus, so this time not line height, but because we're gonna display an image, so basically the height is 48 pixels, so we're gonna increase 48, and then we're gonna draw shield image. Why so many parameters? gp.player.current shield dot down one, and yeah, tail x minus gp.tile size, text y, no. Okay, let's check how it looks like. Alright. Yeah, apparently they are not aligned correctly, so let's adjust it. So after coin, we're gonna increase a bit more y plus 20, and after drawing weapon plus 15 or something. Okay, now it looks like this, and so I'm gonna move up these images a little bit, so minus like 15, minus 15, a little to the bottom, slightly like 14 or something. I think it's okay, yeah. So players attributes status are applied and displayed here. So like for example, if you change something, so this sword value, increase sword value to 4, then yeah, so players attack increases to 4. And I think I wanna move this window to the left a little bit. So frame X, maybe just tile size. Yeah, I think this is better. Okay, so yeah, since we have more detailed player stats, character stats now, so next let's apply these parameters to our battle system.